Hello, once again, you're welcome to FTGFs Weekly Market Outlook. And what we do is we analyze the market and share with you potential market moves that help traders when it comes to their trading decision making. Okay, now the broker we are using is Ingot Brokers, and with Ingot Brokers, it has a lot of resources that supports traders to help them to become the traders that they want to. They want to be. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, these are trading signals that Ingot Brokers share with its clients, okay, or people trading or traders using the Ingot Brokers platform. So with these trading signals, as you can see, this one was out 15 hours ago. That's like yesterday. It tells you when to enter. This is the entry price, stop loss, take profits, and how many days you can be holding this trade. That's like 3 days. And then there's a brief to it, which is approaching resistance level. So it's not just any signal. It tells you what's happening in the market and why that decision is made. Okay, that is, you can assess your trading signals from your dashboard. Okay, now in the same dashboard, let's say you are a trader, or maybe you want to start trading. You don't know much about trading, but you want to make some monies whilst you are learning or sharpening your skills. What you can do is you can copy trades from experts. Okay, so with that, you come down here, you come to copy trading, you click on find. Okay, let's say you look out for somebody you want to copy trades from, for instance, the Africa Forex. As you can see here, when you click on that, you see the performance, and the performance here says monthly return or total return is around 9%, and there's rating good. Okay, so you can look at all of this, and as you can see the graph here, the performance, and then you make a trading decision as to whether to copy from this trader or not. Okay, if you want to learn more about how to copy trade, set up your trading account, you can reach out to me and I'll assist you with all of these. Okay, just the number on your screen, WhatsApp me, and let's pick it up from there. Now, Ingot Brokers Weekly Market Outlook from us, FTGFs. Okay, so you visit Ingot Brokers website, you go to Resource Hub, and you scroll down to Economic Calendar like this. Okay, so the Economic Calendar tells you news coming up in the week. It's in order for you to position yourself well. So when you scroll down, you select the date. Okay, so next week, or it starts from 10th. Okay, 10th to, let's say, 16th. Okay, and the time is accurate GMT. The type of news we would like to have a look at is high impact news, because when they come with some level of volatility. Okay, and then which countries would we want to pay attention to? So let's state US, Australia, Canada, the Euro area. Okay, you scroll down. You can select any country of your choice, but we are selecting these countries: New Zealand, Switzerland, UK. Okay, now with all of these selected, after maybe you selected that, you click on the high again, and then it shows or shares with you news that has been been in the markets and news that's going to come up. Okay, high impact news. Now on the 12th, we have news coming from Australia and all, and then same on the 12th, we have 12, that is Tuesday, we have unemployment rate news coming from UK. Okay, so, and it's an important news that you have to pay attention to as a trader. And the same 12th, we have core inflation or inflation rates news coming from America as well. So US, okay, trading US pairs, GBP pairs, you need to be mindful of that. Okay, Australia, we have, I think, on the 14th. Okay, so on the 14th, we have unemployment rate news coming from Australia. Okay, I think there's an interest rate good. So on the 12th, that's Tuesday, there's interest rate news also coming from Australia. And looking at this, they want to cut down interest rates from 3.8 to 3.6. Okay, so it tells you that there's going to be a little bit more volatility there. Okay, as a trader, you need to pay attention to. So basically, if you look at all of these news coming up, we are going to look at news coming up from US, UK, Australia. So that tells us that if we want to trade, the pairs that I would like us to have a good look at is GBP USD. Okay, because we have US news coming up. That's inflation news. GBP, we have unemployment rate news that's coming up as well. And then AUDUSD. Why AUDUSD? Because we have interest rate news coming up from Australia. Okay. Now that tells us the events coming up in a week, and you can just access that on Ingot Brokers website. You go to ingot.io, then you go to Resource Hub, you come to Economic Calendar, then you select the dates, and then you pick it up from there. Now that we are done with that, now let's look at the technical analysis bits of everything. Okay. And like I said, with the forex markets, we would like to look at AUD USD, and then we also like to look at GBP USD. Okay, so if you want to select your currency pair, you go up here, go to view, then you come to market watch, then you have all the instruments here. If you're not seeing all of them, you can just right click here, then you say show all. Okay, then everything will come. But if not, you just come down here, you see GBP USD is already here. Okay, right click, you select chart, and then we come to raw. Okay, all right, so this is GBP USD for our charts, as we can all see. Now, if you're a trader looking out for opportunities in GBP USD, as you can see, the market has been in a downtrend for some time now. So you select your downtrend line like this here at the top here, then you drag it down from where the downtrend move started from, here, and then here. Okay, so as you can see, or as we all can see, you can see that the down move started from here, and then price tried pulling back, but it got rejected here again. Okay, and it came down to this point, and currently you can see price hovering around the downtrend line. Okay, so if you are a trader looking out for buy opportunities, okay, all that you have to do is wait for this downtrend line to be broken to the upside like this. When it breaks the downtrend line to the upside, you can now place your buy trade, and then ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, if you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for this downtrend line to reject the price to the downside. Okay, and like I said, if you're a trader looking out for trading opportunities, okay, buy opportunities, sell opportunities, like I just shared with you, just have a close look at this setup and then make a trading decision from there. But in all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. When I say proper risk management, I'm referring to your stop loss, your take profits, and most importantly, your lot size. Okay, that will keep you in the game for a long time, and then increase your chances of becoming a successful trader. Okay, now that is for GBP USD. If you are looking out for a trading opportunity in AUD USD, like I shared with you earlier, okay, you can also see that a moment. Okay, if you look at this closely, you can see that price has been trending down for some time now. Okay, and then this downtrend line, we draw this downtrend line. Okay, and as you can see, the downtrend move started from here. The downtrend move started from here. Okay, a moment. The downtrend move started from here, and then price got rejected here. Downtrend move started from here. Price got rejected here. Now you can see price still hovering around the downtrend line. Okay, so once again, if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for this downtrend line to be fully broken by the candlestick or the price to the upside. Okay, then you place your buy trade. Okay, if you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for the downtrend line to reject the candlestick or the price to the downside, then you place your sell trade. Okay, now in all of these, once again, ensure that you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, it's very, very important to look at it from that point of view. Okay, now let's look at the commodities market. Now in the commodities market, we would like to look at gold first. Okay, and then from there we can look at other commodities as well, and then make a trading decision from them. Okay, now when you look at this closely, you would realize that price is approaching or currently approaching its resistance. Why resistance? Because if you look at this, price rejected or rejection started from here. Then price got rejected again at that same key level. Okay, now as you can see price approaching the same key level, or what's a 7 as resistance. Now if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity in gold, you wait for this resistance to get broken to the upside, then you place your buy trade. If you're also a trader looking out for sell opportunities in gold, you wait for price to get rejected by this resistance to the downside, then you place your sell trade. Okay, in all of these, once again, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Now in the commodities markets too, we look at oil. Now if you look at oil closely here, you can see that the support is being broken. Okay, now let me minimize it and I'll maximize it again. Like this, you realize that this support, or what is currently serving as a support that is broken, was at a point resistance. Okay, so here price kept resistance kept rejecting price. So this was it, first rejection, and then price got rejected here again, and then the resistance got broken at this point here. Okay, resistance got broken here, then price came down to the resistance again, which was broken, and at that point was serving as the support. Okay, so support here, then price got rejected, it got up there, and then price now go here again. Okay, so this 7 as the current support is being broken, as you can see. So let me maximize it a bit. Okay, so as you can see here, this support is broken here, was rejected here, and here, as we can see, the price has broken the support. Okay, so now if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity in oil, okay, USOIL, you wait for the price to break what is currently serving as the resistance. Initially was support that is broken and currently serving as a resistance. You wait for price to break it to the upside, then you place your buy trade. Okay, if you're also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for this support that is broken, okay, currently serving as a resistance, to fully break it. Okay, or you can go ahead and place your sell trade to the downside, because as we can see the support is broken. Then ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, now let's look at, in the crypto markets, we are going to look at Bitcoin or BTCUSD. Okay, now the price has been in a downtrend for some time now. Okay, as we all can see, so the downtrend move started from here. That was our time high, and then kept dropping. Okay, so as you can see, a moment, so the down move or the downtrend move started from here, and then price got rejected here. Okay, and it was approaching the downtrend line, but then it got rejected from there, and then currently we can see that price also got rejected. Somewhere last week it got rejected here, and currently we can see price approaching the resistance. Okay, so if you're a trader looking out for a sell opportunity or buy opportunity, this is how you have to approach it. For buy opportunity, you wait for the candlestick or the price to break this downtrend line to the upside, then you place your buy trade. Okay, if you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for this downtrend to reject the price to the downside, then you place your sell trade. Okay, now in all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, now one thing you need to also pay very good attention to is the same way I shared with you that you can access trading signals from your dashboard when you log into your accounts. You can also access trading signals from the MT5. Okay, so with that you come to news. Okay, and then when you click on news, you can see a lot of signals there. So let's just pick USD/JPY like this. Okay, moments, let's pick GBP/USD. Okay, and if you look at that, this signal, it tells you the entry price, the stop loss, take profit, and even gives you a graphical representation of the market direction. Okay, the arrow tells you that there are high chances price will keep going up. Okay, thank you very much. Visit ingots.io or reach out to me using the WhatsApp or the number on your screen. Let's interact and then learn more about how to copy trades, how to use trading signals, and many more. Thank you Catch you next week. Bye bye.